So if you guys are loyal viewers, you would have noticed that in one of my earlier videos I made up this trailer to use for watering, to go around and water my plants, but I changed that up to using the pump, which is why I extended the pond so I could get further down, and I bought like 250 feet of hose. So the irrigation problem's all solved by using pond water and creek water. But this, now I'm going to use to put the welder and the generator on, and a few other things like clamps and grinders, and I'm going to fix it up so that it's kind of weatherproof, and so I can leave it out in the back field where I'm going to be using it. So we'll start with this, and I'll show you as I keep going what I'm going to do to this thing to make it pretty. Well, it's a really damp. It rained all night. It's damp. It rained this morning, so it kind of takes out the welding for the day. I did get some of the parts matched up, and I was looking forward to getting some welding done, but we'll just have to wait. I'm off for the whole week, so this is a whole week's video of what I'm going to get done today, or this week at the farm. This is the trailer. I solidified a few things. I was going to enclose this, but I feel that it's easier just to put the generator and the welder on the back, and I'll just back it into the trailer when I'm ready. But right now, I'm going to go back into the garage and get some of this insulation finished. We'll see how far I can get. So I just got another section to do, and you know, it'll hopefully add more warmth to the upstairs, which I'm camping out in. So I'm going to get that done, and I'll show you the progress. My new welding trailer. I'm about to take it out to the back there and start tacking out some stuff there and get it ready. And then tomorrow I'm going to run into town, and I'm off work, but I'm going to go into work and pick up all the other welds that I did, all the other supports. I got 8 more. So basically I got all my cord here, my helmet, welder, generator, extension cord, as many clamps as I could find, grinder. And I just put this makeshift roof on it, so the plan changed a little bit through, which is generally how it works. And I should be good to go as long as it doesn't pour down rain or blizzard. I should be okay. Now I'll park this in the, I'll be parking this in here now. So it's wide open space there, so I park that in there and keep it protected. So let's get going. do you got there, Mom?
Oh no.
And I guess this happens sometimes.
Oh.
Well,
I'll have to wash my coat for sure.
Yeah, I'm glad I got that one on film. So we got the first truss up. I'm just running back to get a ladder and some string. And we're gonna put the second truss up. So. Breakfast time. Breakfast time. I'm gonna go let out the chickens. Gracie's starving here. Mom's right behind me. She's ready to feed her. Say hi, Gracie. Hi, Gracie. So, yeah, let's get over here. This is just some of the chores that go on at the farm every day. Gotta give them water. Let's get up here and check out these chickens here. Come on, you. Oh, yuck. It's just mud everywhere. Okay, so let's get a scoop of something in here, I think. And we'll open them up. Hello, girls. Morning. There you go, girls. Come on. Come on. Come on now. Come on. Here. Let's get a scoop of this. That should be good enough for them. I'll go in and check on and see how many eggs we got here. Let's see if we got any eggs in here. Step on them. Oh, no eggs in here. Probably gonna lay them later. No, fresh out today. Unless they're somewhere else. They're sneaky. They like to put them everywhere. Maybe later. Okay. A big windstorm took down the electric fence in the boy goat's pen here. So I should pick it up and fix it. Ah! Just kidding. I turned off the power already. So it looks like I got to get a couple more of these hangers. I think we have a few. And fix it up. That's what we do around here.